Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sankara. In this video, we are going to discuss a simple logical point. Whether electronics shop, electronic sales and servicing shop comes under the purview of factory or not. Right? This is the core issue, and Supreme Court answered. The matter came to the level of the Supreme Court. Supreme Court ordered yes, because it is using the power. Power means electricity, not the authority. Right? So the referred cases, Messrs JP Electronics, Messrs JP Lights India versus the registrar or the regional director ESI Corporation, Bangalore. This matter came up to the level of the Supreme Court. Madam Justice Hima Kohli and Rajesh Bindal, in this case, held that electronic shop which sells the electronic goods and also repairs such goods, that is taking up the servicing matter. So definitely it can be said they are engaged in the manufacturing process using the power. So therefore they are coming under the ESI Act as well as the Factories Act 1948 also. Let us discuss what is Section 2 Clause F with Clause K. Section 2 Clause K of the Factories Act. Please remember. So according to this, please remember, if anybody uses power and if there are more than 10 members, definitely it's called a factory. Likewise, Section 2 Clause 14A of the ESI Act says manufacturing. Incidentally, interestingly, it is also manufacturing process, because they will be repairing the goods, they will be repairing the electronics. It is also called manufacturing process. Now coming to the facts of the case, let us understand the facts. The appellant firm, that is JP Lights India, is in the business of selling the electronic goods, maybe mobiles, maybe laptops, so many electronic goods they are selling. But also they are doing the service of the electric goods as well as electronic goods also. If there are any, you may be knowing, suppose if you purchase an LG refrigerator, if it's defective, then you will go to the LG service center. That is differently located in different place. But here both of them, the selling point as well as the repairing point, both of them are located in only one place. So therefore, please remember, it is deemed that this firm falls under the purview of the Factories Act or manufacturing process. Therefore, they have to be covered under the employer, that is ESI, Employees State Insurance Corporation, ESI Corporation. So the employee should be get registered under the ESI. Definitely they will get so many benefits with the help of the so-called ESI Corporation. You may be knowing there are a number of hospitals for the workers as far as the ESI is concerned. If there are no hospitals, certain doctors will be designated as the ESI doctors. For example, in Ongole, there is no ESI hospital, but Dr. K. Narasimha Rao used to be the ESI designated doctor. In Chirala, directly there is ESI hospital. Hyderabad, there is ESI hospital. ESI Medical College is there. That is located in that is near Umesh Chandra statue, maybe SR Sanjeev Reddy or someplace. ESI is a very important aspect. They are not covered. Therefore, the regional director whose officers visited the spot and asked these people to take coverage under ESI and which failed. Therefore, they have come to the court. Actually, they have filed a case against them, and JP Lights, now they have gone in appeal against the regional director of the so-called ESI Corporation. Right. So here the main contention by the appellant, that is JP Lights, is that they are not manufacturing any goods with power. So electronic shop is there, normal electronic, they are not using any that motors and other things. But still the court said power means any electric energy transmitted energy used for the repairing of goods, definitely it comes under electricity. So therefore, you have to take coverage under ESI. Very good judgment. Please read it and enrich your legal knowledge. Thank you.